Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking, what do you need to focus on to come into alignment with your SP relationship that you so want? And the Knight of Cups came through. And the message here is to focus on being swept away by your SP. See them as your knight in shining armor coming in and really see yourself as the queen and see them showering you with gifts, taking you out, telling you how much they love you and how beautiful that you are, and really see yourself being swept away by your knight in shining armor, right? Because the Knight of Cups represents that knight in shining armor, and he's coming to really take you up in their arms, cuddle you, tell you that they love you, and really be that SP that you so want. And so your focus needs to be there. At the moment, you might be focusing on, you might be in no contact. You don't have the relationship that you want. It's not working out the way you want, and your focus is there. So that's what you're creating. So this card is about focusing on what you do want. So maybe even writing a list. What do you want? What do you want them to do for you? What do you want your relationship to look like, feel like? What activities do you want to be doing together? What do you want to hear them saying to you? All of those kinds of things, and be clear about that. And that's what you want to focus on, and keep focusing on that. So then you can bring that and attract that into your life, not what you don't want, because that's how manifestation works. Focusing on what we do want and not focusing on what we don't want. So let me know in the comments, what is happening for you? What are you going to now be focusing on and creating with your SP? I'd love to hear it. If you've liked the reading, make sure you hit the like button so I know to create more readings like this. Subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified of upcoming readings and videos that I do. So that's it for today. Focus on what you do want. Focus on them being your knight in shining armor, and watch your relationship manifest with your SP the way you want to. See ya.